They've certainly got a business model that they figured out works, somehow calling folks and pretending that they're going to improve your house's air quality for $100 or $300. Like
Great.
it's like, let's just think about that. Like, could
Yeah.
anybody possibly, increase your air quality for $100? Like, what is the science behind that? Like, that's
Yeah.
no, just change the filter in your furnace. You're going to get way further ahead
Yeah.
than dealing with those guys.
Yeah.
But you're right. It's the same sort of confidence scam, right? Where it's that high pressured sales, quick, let's go.
Mhm.
And the biggest, like the thing that makes me the most upset about that type of scam is that, it's not me that's falling for that scam.
Yeah.
It's like the vulnerable folks who don't actually know like what's happening. They don't know what's going on. They might feel very overwhelmed that this person's approaching them like door to door at their home.